Are you ready to supercharge your mini excavator skills and take your productivity to the next level? In this video, we're revealing pro tips and hacks that will transform the way you operate and maintain your machine. Let's dig in. First up, precision digging techniques. Ditch the guesswork. Focus on slow, controlled movements and maintain a consistent angle with your bucket. This saves time and ensures accuracy, especially for projects requiring detailed excavation. Next, master the art of attachment selection. Choosing the right tool for the job is key to efficiency. From trenching buckets to hydraulic hammers, the right attachment can save hours and enhance your machine's capabilities. Fuel efficiency matters. Follow Fuel Efficiency 101 by idling less and maintaining your engine properly. Not only does this save money, but it's also better for the environment. Beyond digging, maintenance is critical. Keep your mini excavator clean to prevent wear and tear. Regular cleaning removes dirt and debris that could damage your machine over time. Grease it right. Proper lubrication ensures smooth operation and prevents costly breakdowns. Make this a regular part of your maintenance routine. Early detection is key to avoiding major repairs. Regularly check for loose bolts, track tension, and any unusual sounds while operating your machine. Boost productivity with time-saving hacks like bucket management for efficient loading and unloading. And when working in tight spaces, use smart excavation strategies to navigate smoothly. Unlock your excavator's hidden potential with advanced techniques. Master the boom for precision control, optimize hydraulic flow, and take advantage of tech features like GPS integration for maximum efficiency. Finally, go from novice to pro. Practice regularly to build muscle memory. Stay updated on industry advancements and always prioritize safety. Your skills and safety are your most valuable tools. With these tips and tricks, you'll maximize your mini excavator's efficiency and keep it running like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insider secrets on heavy machinery. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.